The weapons are coming in by air. We've got a plane over at the airstrip, but...
Right, let's go!
What are you going to do?
We're not gonna take out a private army on the ground, Ron. We gotta meet them in the air.
Okay, well, I knew that you were pissed after the Merryweather heist, giving back the hardware.
That was bullshit!
Right. So I've been monitoring chatter, tapping into Merryweather networks.
Feels good to be back in the company of a professional.
I gotta say, I got it. Look out! I got it. Now, I was expecting something a little more impressive. The late, great Michael Townley.
Not so late and not so great, right? And no longer called Townley. The years have not been terribly kind.
What's the end game, man? We had a good thing going without him.
If it's such a good thing, where's my money, huh? Where's my consultancy and my big fat dividend? I want a franchise network, Ron. I want reward cards and merchandise. I want to make gun violence and drug dependency accessible to every man and beast from Hove Beach to Vespucci. I want country clubs and a depressed wife with blonde hair and a hot little secretary who bounces on my boy.
There's Oscar's business. That's bringing cash in.
My stake in Oscar's thing ain't under the TP conglomerate umbrella. I want my own brand success. Crop duster? That's the best we can do? Get in touch with my Mexican contact. Tell him we got some guns to sell.
I'll get you on the CV!
Trevor, the Merryweather plane is in a holding pattern to the west. Try and stay low. The control tower at Fort Zancudo is monitoring air traffic.
Cargo planes on my 12.
Got the weapons they're using to enslave us on board. If we could get a hold of them, oh my god! Are you planning on forcing them to land?
Didn't I say we had to take them in the air if we're to have any kind of shot at this? I thought I said that.
Flying the high's gonna draw attention! They're reading you, King. Descend some.
I'm in control of this.
You're on their radar, Trevor. Lose altitude. We're approaching Fort Zancudo, Trevor. It's vital you don't fly right over it.
Altitude's just fine, Ron. You alrighty?
You gotta drop, man. They're on their screens.
You want me to put my nose into the dirt? Dick?
You know, the cargo plane's got 4 jets, a 200-foot wingspan.
Yeah, and I'm in a crop duster. This is something I'm acutely aware of. Enough!
Don't go over the fort! Circumvent it! We're too high! Drop down before they figure it ain't an aberration. Keep low! Remember, don't want to give them reason to think you're suspect.
I'm plenty low enough, Ron.
They'll start monitoring you at that altitude.
Altitude corrected.
You got to descend, man. The military will be all over you.
You got bad information, brother. I'm fine.
Descend, Trevor. This is meant to be a restricted airspace.
I can be myself out here. Bullying, reckless, totally selfish. Do the things that make me me.
Like kidnapping the wife of a powerful Mexican gangster and flying a crop duster toward a jumbo jet loaded with mercenaries.
Exactly. Everyone's so hung up on appearances in LS.
Flying the high's gonna draw attention.
I'm in control of this.
You're reading, you team. Descend some.
Altitude's just fine, Ron.
You're on the radar, Trevor. Lose altitude.
You want me to put my nose into the dirt? Dick. You speak to Oscar? The Mexicans? This deal on?
I'll let them know it's in the works. International airspace now. You are clear to gain altitude.
Here we go!
Come in, light aircraft. Identify yourself and state your intent.
This is Captain T in a 1989 crop duster. Just enjoying the beautiful San Andreas weather.
Divert your course or we will be forced to shoot you down.
Shoot me down? Now that's not very sociable.